up, YouTube? How you doing? You good? Me, I am chilling, and I am back with yet another video. Yes, so as you can see from the title, we are just dibbling and dabbling into some more makeup, some more eyeshadow tutorials. Okay, so if you do not know by now, okay, your girl is a huge Colourpop fan because she loves her some makeup, but she also loves her some coin to stay inside the bank. And Colourpop allows me to do that in an instinct, because I swear they come out with a new collection every 2 weeks. Okay, so I don't really know if my coin is staying in my bank because I'm always buying something. Okay, but without further ado, we're going to jump right into this tutorial. But before we do that, get into this face. Okay, you know you got to get into this hair, but you can't forget about this face. All right, so while I was doing it, I was like, I don't know if they're gonna get this, but at the end of the process, I was like, oh, she's cute. She came together rather well, okay? So I attempted to do a halo eye. It did come out properly, but during the process, it was like, you're still a beginner. You need to stop, okay? But if you're a beginner out there, don't let all the professionals out here discourage you, okay? Because this is a beginner, okay? But before we even get into this video, if you are new here, I want you to do me one little favor, okay? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, just wanted to let you know that I see you, boo. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Hey y'all, sorry about that long old intro, child, but this is the brand new brown sugar palette from Karuchi and Colourpop. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take this amber color and put this into my transition color, put it on as my transition color. I'm going to switch brushes because this brush that I picked up was not working. I need to wash my makeup brushes, so I was just using whatever clean brushes I had left. Taking in this blending brush, I didn't add any more color on it. I should have, because it's not. I didn't pack on that orange like how I wanted it to intensify. I was afraid of it getting muddy, so I didn't pack it on. But I seen the orange in person, but on camera I can't really tell. Taking a smaller brush, I'm going to dip that into chalk. I didn't show you guys the color, but it's that deep brown. You'll see it again, but chalk, like chocolate chalk. It's a pretty red brown color. Just blend, child. I promise you, I'm like the blending queen, but I will blend and make everything disappear. That's how much blending I was doing in this tutorial. I feel like I was blending too much and not packing on enough color, but I was afraid of it getting muddy. So now as you see me, I'm just going to take both brushes, the one that I use chalk with and the other one that has amber on it, and I'm just going to blend each of them until I feel as though it is as seamless as I want it to be. So these shades blend out really well. I just did not pack it on to intensify it the way that I wanted it to. So taking a pointed brush, I'm going to go in with henna, and child, my facial expressions just read everything that I am feeling about this color. It just wasn't showing up the way I wanted to, and I did not want to cut my crease because that's not the look that I was going for. I'm just gonna keep adding henna up until it shows. Now it is pigmented. I'm just a dark-skinned, melanin-enriched female, so it was not showing up the way that I wanted it to. And this color, I actually did continue to pack on. So now I'm gonna take a shading brush and just try and put it all over my lid, because I was doing a halo eye, so I didn't want to go all over my lid like that, but it just wasn't coming up. So I was like, let me just go ahead and do so. And then we're gonna take it and blend out the edges. Yeah, facial expressions is reading everything, child. Going back and forth with different brushes, just blending it out until I feel that it is what I want it to be. And now I'm going to just go ahead and build up on this halo. Just use some Colourpop concealer. Now that's cute right there. I was like, oh, she doing it. Now taking this last color is Saute, which is a really pretty metallic shade. It has like flecks of green in there, silver, brown, orange. It's just a really pretty color. This look is much more holiday-esque than anything, but I I like the end result. I did appreciate the end result. Tried to use my finger, but it didn't really change anything. This is chalk, yes, that red brown color that I used that I didn't show you before, but we're just gonna go ahead and blend out all the harsh lines so everything is just seamless. Now we're going to go ahead and get into this face. I believe I show you guys everything that I use. So go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video and I will talk to you guys later. All right, you guys, so I really enjoyed doing this look. Okay, this little slayage, okay, just a little dibbling and dabbling, get my little fingers wet, okay, and this little makeup thing. I've always loved makeup, and I'm just now starting to like really like to do eyeshadow because it takes such a long time, but I really love like the artistic aspect of it. Like some of y'all out here is true professionals. I am a makeup enthusiast, okay? I'm not trying to be nobody's makeup artist. I just really enjoy makeup, and I enjoy beating down this face of mine. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you want, let's stay tuned so we can get into these swatches. Okay, so I changed my mind, all right? We're not gonna get into the swatches right now. We're gonna save that for the next video. Go ahead and just stay tuned. Go hit the subscribe button. Wait on to the next video. I mean, it's literally just like maybe 24 hours. It's not gonna take that long, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If it's not too much, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye. Get into this face. She did that. Okay, girl. Check me out.